Hi people, this is Nettie again. This is around my fourth time trying to do this right. Okay, these plants are, how you call it? Cuban oreganos. And they are like crazy. Wherever you put a piece, it'll grow. And it'll keep growing on the side. And it keeps throwing more and more. I had a whole stack of these in the raised bed. But I call it, I couldn't take all of them out. You know, it was a lot of them. It took almost half of the raised bed. So what I did was I bought a couple of them and I put them here. And I planted it down there somewhere, and it just started growing. I have been cutting up pieces of it, but it keeps growing. But they're good. They're good for sofrito. They're good for stews. They're real good. You know, so that's why I like them. I don't throw them out. My cousin gave me a few of these a couple of years ago. And since then, it just doesn't die. So I just want to show you this. Before, they were very small. I think I haven't talked much about these. The Cuban oreganos. You know, in Spanish, they call it witch oregano. Witch as the Wicked Witch of the West. Yeah, that kind of witch. Oregano. That's how they call it in Spanish. But in English, it's Cuban oregano. So, saying this, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.